Hello everyone. Today let's take a look at the new Volkswagen Golf car assembly line. The new Volkswagen Golf car assembly line is located at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant in Germany. This factory is the largest automobile factory in the world, with an area of 6.5 million square meters and producing more than 800,000 vehicles per year. The stamping shop of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant is where the steel and aluminum panels used to create the bodies of Volkswagen cars are produced. The stamping workshop has an area of 1.5 million m2 and uses more than 1,000 robots. The stamping process begins with steel and aluminum sheets being rolled into large rolls. The rolls are then fed to stamping machines where they are cut to the correct size and shape. The stamping machines can produce steel and aluminum panels with thicknesses ranging from 0.7 to 2.5 millimeters. Stamping pressure can be up to 1,000 psi. Once stamped, the steel and aluminum panels are sent to welding machines, where they are welded together to form the car's body. Advanced technologies are used in the stamping workshop. The Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant's stamping shop uses many advanced technologies to increase productivity and reduce errors. Information technology. Information technology is used to monitor and control the stamping process. This technology helps factories operate more efficiently and reduces waste. Robotics. Robots are used to stamp steel and aluminum plates. Robots help increase productivity and reduce errors. 3D printing. 3D printing is used to produce stamping dies. This technology helps reduce costs and production time. Volkswagen's efforts to minimize environmental impact. The Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant's stamping shop has made a number of efforts to minimize its environmental impact, including recycling. The stamping shop recycles more than 99% of its waste. Energy saving. The stamping workshop uses solar and wind energy to reduce carbon emissions. Details of production stages in the stamping workshop. Stage 1. Prepare ingredients. Steel and aluminum coils are transported to the stamping workshop by truck. Steel and aluminum coils are quality checked before being put into production. Stage 2. Stamping. Steel and aluminum coils are cut to precise size and shape using stamping machines. Presses use pressures up to 1,000 psi to shape steel and aluminum panels. Stage 3. Welding. Steel and aluminum panels are welded together to form the car's body. The welding machines use laser welding technology to weld steel and aluminum plates together. Phase 4. Transfer. The steel and aluminum panels are transported to other parts of the plant to continue the production process. Here are some specific examples of steel and aluminum panels produced in the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant's stamping shop. Vehicle body steel plate. Vehicle body steel plate is the thickest type of steel used in automobile manufacturing. It is used to create load-bearing parts of the car body, such as chassis and doors. Door steel plate. Door steel plate is a thinner type of steel used to create the doors of a car. Aluminum body panels. Aluminum body panels are a lighter type of aluminum used to create body parts, such as bonnets and windows. The stamping shop of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant is an important part of the car production process. It supplies high-quality steel and aluminum panels used to construct the bodywork of Volkswagen cars. The paint shop at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg factory is where car bodies are coated with paint for protection and decoration. The paint workshop has an area of 1.2 million m2 and uses more than 600 robots. The painting process begins with the vehicle bodies being cleaned to remove dirt and grease. The car bodies are then coated with a primer to protect against corrosion. Next, the car bodies are coated with a middle layer of paint to give the car its color. This middle layer of paint can be covered with a gloss or matte finish. Finally, the car bodies are coated with a coating to protect against scratches. Advanced technologies are used in the paint workshop. The paint shop at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg factory uses many advanced technologies to increase productivity and reduce errors. Information technology. Information technology is used to monitor and control the painting process. This technology helps factories operate more efficiently and reduces waste. Robotics. Robots are used to paint car bodies. Robots help increase productivity and reduce errors. Automation. The paint shop is highly automated, helping to minimize human intervention and minimize errors. Volkswagen's efforts to minimize environmental impact. The paint shop at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant has made a number of efforts to minimize its environmental impact, including recycling. The paint shop recycles more than 99% of its waste. Energy saving. The paint workshop uses solar and wind energy to reduce carbon emissions. Details of production stages in the paint workshop. Stage 1. Prepare the car body. The car bodies are transported to the paint shop by truck. The car body is cleaned to remove dirt and grease. Stage 2. Primer. The car bodies are coated with a primer to protect against corrosion. The primer layer is sprayed by robot. Stage 3. Middle paint. The car bodies are coated with a middle layer of paint to give the car its color. The middle coat can be covered with a gloss or matte coat. The middle layer of paint is sprayed by robot. Stage 4. Coating. The car bodies are coated with a coating to protect against scratches. The coating is sprayed by robot. Stage 5. Drying. The car bodies are dried so that the paint is completely dry. The car bodies are dried in an oven. Phase 6. Transfer. The car bodies are shipped to other parts of the factory to continue the production process. Below are some specific examples of paints used in the paint shop of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg factory. Primer. Primer is usually made from epoxy or polyester resin. It helps protect the car body from corrosion and creates adhesion for subsequent paint layers. Mid-paint. Mid-paint is usually made from acrylic or polyester resin. It gives color to the car body. Coating. Coating is usually made from acrylic or polyester resin. It protects the car body from scratches and fading. The paint shop at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant is an important part of the car production process. It helps protect and decorate car bodies, contributing to the eye-catching and durable appearance of Volkswagen cars. The assembly phase of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant is the final stage in the car production process. During this phase, the vehicle body is assembled with other components, such as the engine, transmission, suspension, electrical system, and interior. The assembly stage is carried out on automatic assembly lines. These lines are designed to optimize productivity and efficiency. The assembly phase of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant uses many advanced technologies to increase productivity and reduce errors. Information technology. Information technology is used to monitor and control the assembly process. This technology helps factories operate more efficiently and reduces waste. Robotics. Robots are used to assemble car parts. Robots help increase productivity and reduce errors. Automation. The assembly phase is highly automated, helping to minimize human intervention and minimize errors. Details of production steps during the assembly phase. Stage 1. Transporting the vehicle body. The car bodies are transported to the assembly line by truck. Stage 2. Install the engine and gearbox. The engines and gearboxes are installed into the vehicle body. These steps are performed by robots. Stage 3. Install the suspension system. The suspension system is installed into the vehicle body. These steps are performed by robots. Stage 4. Install the electrical system. The electrical system is installed into the vehicle body. These steps are performed by robots. Stage 5. Interior installation. Interior components, such as seats, dashboard, and touchscreen, are installed into the vehicle body. Some of these steps are performed by robots, while others are performed by trained workers. Stage 6. Quality check. Cars are thoroughly inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. These inspections are performed by trained workers. Stage 7. Transportation. Cars are shipped to dealers worldwide. The assembly phase of the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant is an important part of the car production process. It helps turn vehicle bodies into complete, ready-to-operate cars. With the launch of the 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI, Volkswagen continues to prove why the Golf GTI line is always the favorite choice of sports car enthusiasts. Updated with many new features and dynamic design, this car promises to bring ultimate driving experience and satisfaction to the driver. Exterior design. With a modern and sharp exterior design, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI looks extremely impressive. Grasping market trends, the front is equipped with slim LED lights, combined with a delicate chrome grille, creating a strong and attractive appearance. The sporty rear end and impressive rear spoiler add to the unique look of the car. Furniture and amenities. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2024 Golf GTI continues to demonstrate the sophistication and quality of this vehicle. High-quality leather seats, designed to hug tightly, provide maximum comfort and back support on long trips. The center console with a large touchscreen supports modern features such as infotainment synchronization, cruise control, and smartphone connection. Engine performance. With a turbocharged engine and modern technology, the 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI is truly a superhero on the road. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine responds quickly, providing strong power and good performance. The sporty steering and suspension system gives the car flexible handling, making every trip fun and exciting. Safety and utility. Volkswagen always puts safety first, and the 2024 Golf GTI is no exception. With advanced safety systems such as collision warning, tire pressure control and traction control system, this vehicle provides a reliable layer of protection. Additional amenities such as a premium sound system and smart connectivity add to the convenience and entertainment. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI is the perfect combination of sophisticated design, powerful performance, and advanced safety features. Whether you are a sports lover or are looking for a multi-purpose vehicle with outstanding style, the 2024 Golf GTI meets all expectations with excellence.